In this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook page. Let's get started. Open your Facebook profile, then tap on a page on the left drop-down list, or use the link in the description. Then here tap on Create a New Page. Then here you need to add information about your page. Start first with the page name. You can add your company name or just the name you want. Then under the name section, you need to choose a page category. You can choose up to 3 categories for your page. And then the page bio, where you need to tell people a little about what your page is. Once you finish here, click on Create Page. Then the next step is to finish setting up your page, where you need to add more details to help people connect with you. You need to add a website if you have one, and an email. Then if you are a company, you can add the address of your company and opening hours. Then click Next. Then the next and very important step is to add a profile picture and banner for your page. The profile picture is one of the first things people see. Because of this, try using your logo or an image so people can easily associate with you. Once you add a profile and banner image, click Next. And the next step is building an audience. You can invite your friends to connect with it. Once you've finished adding friends, click on Next. Then here select both features to stay informed about your page. And click on Done. Your page is created and you can start posting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.